Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. Do you have problems with your pool pump? Is it not working properly or is it not working at all? Well, we're going to show you some of the most common reasons for these problems that may hopefully help in solving this issue. We're showing this on the widely used Intex pool pump for medium and smaller pools, but the basic principle can be applied even to bigger pumps. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you have the time, watch our other videos about how to set up an Intex pool, how to set up the pump, how to clean and fold the canvas, and much more. It's all closely related to this topic, so it's worth the watch. The links for the full videos are in the description. The pump does not work at all. If your pool pump does not work at all, so there is no buzzing, no water circulation, it's completely silent when you turn it on, the probable causes are either the power input to the pump or the electric motor within it. By checking the power input to the pump, you'll immediately know if it's either of these problems. To do this, you'll need a simple tester for 220 volts. Please be careful when doing this. Make sure that you take all of the safety precautions and be sure to keep the pump and the electric connections away from water. Now, take the tester and check the socket to which the pump is connected. In our case, we also have an extension cable in between since the pool is far away, so in this case, we would first check the input on it. If there is no input on the extension cable, then we would check the socket. If there's no input there, then we would check the fuses on the house installation. Now comes the important part. If there is electrical input to the pump, this means that the pump is faulty in some way. If there is no electrical input to the pump, then check your home electric installation. If you find out that the pump is faulty, first check the plug and the connection to the pump, since these often get damaged due to harsh handling. If these are okay, then probably the electric motor inside the pump is faulty. If you see that the plug, connection, or the electric motor are bad, we recommend buying a new pump and not doing any kind of improvisation and repairs. The pump works slowly or intermittently. If the pump works slowly or intermittently, which means sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, but everything else is okay, it may again be the electrical motor inside the pump. Especially pay attention to this cause if the pump is older or has been damaged before. The pool pump is noisy all the time. If the pump is noisy all the time, especially if you hear the sound of cracking or grinding from the pump, open it and check for debris inside of it, on the lower part where the electric motor is. Another cause is that the pump may have internal damage, and in this case you should best replace it. If the noise is gargling, check for air inside the system and the pump itself. There is no water flow to and from the pump, or the flow is weak. If the pool pump is struggling to circulate the water, first check the filter. A clogged filter is the most common cause of these problems by far. So, if you notice this, first disconnect the pump from the electric supply, disconnect the hoses from the pool, and open the pump. If the filter is clogged, you can either completely change it or wash it and then return it back into place. The pump gargles or hisses most of the time while working. If you hear a gargling or hissing sound from the pump, there is probably air getting into the system. Regarding the pump, first check the big plastic screw on top that tightens the lid, check if it is properly tightened, and check if the lid is in place. Also check for punctured hoses, loose or broken clamps, torn or damaged seals, and the vent on the water outlet to the pool. Once you're done and you've hopefully found the problem, make sure to vent the whole system with the big screw on the top of the pump lid. If you don't, the pump will struggle to circulate water or it will not circulate at all. From our personal experience, these Intex pool pumps are very durable and long-lasting. Most problems come from not changing the filter on time, physically damaging the pump, or not assembling it properly in the first place. Again, if you notice that the pump is the problem, it's best to buy a brand new one. Fixing an electric appliance that's in direct contact with the water you're going to be in is risky, to say the least. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.